I'm going to be showing you how to log into Aetna member account. So to log into your Aetna member account, you need to go to the main Aetna login page or your specific plan's portal. It could be like Medicare or Aetna Better Health. So just go to any of your browser. I'm going to be choosing Safari. It's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. Once you're here, just go to the portal. It could be aetna.com. So as you can see, this option has been opened. So right there at the top right, where you can see this login option right there, just go ahead and tap here. And once you're there, you have the option for member login. If you already have an account, just tap on member login. If not, then just tap on create my account. Since we're trying to log into it, just tap on member login. Wait for it to show you the details that you need to enter to log in. So you have your username and right below it, you have your password. So what you can do is just enter your username and enter the password. So in this way, you can successfully log in to your Aetna member account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.